Hey guys, Steve Welch here, standing outside of a new body 2026 Toyota RAV4. They have made a change to the dynamic radar cruise control, and a lot of you might like it. So I'm going to actually show you exactly what the change is, how to use it, and a little bit more about the dynamic cruise control right now. All right, so we're inside the vehicle here right now. Very, very easy. I'm going to show you some of the changes here. So first off, the old RAV4, you had to set the cruise control first. Usually you had a little thing over here on a lot of them, but they depends on how old you go. But the old ones had a button up here as well. You would actually arm it and then you would set the cruise control. Well, they've eliminated the arm function and now it's just this one button right there. You get yourself up to the speed you want to go, one button, you hit that button and you will set it. Now, you saw that I hit this, it said cruise control unavailable, shift into drive. That's because you can't set it when you're going 0, which I'm going 0. So that is something. So you just get up to speed, one button, hit it with your thumb very easily, one button, and you will be set at the speed that you want to go. Now down here, you'll see this is the distance to the car ahead of you, and you can kind of see down here. Now, the furthest distance is about 6 car lengths or so. The closest is about 3, just kind of a give or take number there, but just giving you kind of an idea. But what you'll notice, something different from the old one, is there are 4 positions that are right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the closest one's 4. Well, the old one had 3. So this is just a little bit more fine tuning that you can do based off of how close you want to get to the car ahead of you. Now, if you're in cruise control, and it also has something that's called curb speed reduction. What is that? So if you start turning the steering wheel, the vehicle can see how fast you've turned the wheel and how far you've turned the wheel. And as you go around that corner, it's going to slow how fast you're going. Now, this isn't nothing that's new on the RAV4. They've had that before, but it's something that not a lot of people realize. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to hit set up later. Hopefully you've already been set up. Accept whatever. I'm going to come over here into the settings that's over here, right? Once I do this, I can come in and I can change some things here, right? I'm going to go into driving assist, right? And you can see driving support, anything else like that. But see, I've gone into driving support. So here's dynamic radar cruise control. I'm going to hit dynamic radar cruise control. It'll give you a few things that you can adjust right here. So you can adjust the acceleration. You can go, I want medium, high, low. So how fast do you want to get back up to speed? Do you want to go fast? Do you want to go slow? Whatever you want to do. Medium is what it comes with from the factory. And then here is curb speed reduction. You can go down here, high, low, medium. Well, like I said, you can turn it off. You can do other stuff like that. But as you turn, if you turn at a you got your cruise at 70 and you're doing this, and you're starting to get that steering wheel over there, has a sensor on the steering wheel. It's going to see that you turned it a good distance, and it's going to start slowing you down in direct reference to the amount of steering wheel input you put in. And then once you go back to straight on the steering wheel, it'll put you back to what your speed was based off of how quick you wanted to go with that system there. So you can kind of see, if you put medium, if you put fast, if the acceleration, if you put, or high right there, if you put that high acceleration there, then it's going to accelerate very quickly to get back to whatever you have it set. Low, it'll go a little slower. Medium will go a little bit, in the middle, which medium, like I said, is your factory setting. Now you also have something that you can do that with over here. If you hit this mode button, now mode button, you have an adaptive cruise mode, an eco run mode, and then you have cruise mode. And you might go, what's the difference between these 3 things? Well, it's actually pretty cool. So what it does, when you hit this mode button and you go from the adaptive cruise, which is the adaptive cruise is what I was just talking about, where it'll slow you down, it'll do all the fun stuff, and it'll put you back up to speed at whatever rate really you've said there, but just say a regular rate, right? If we go into eco, now eco mode is going to do what you would think it would do, is it's going to get up to speed at a slightly slower pace. Why? If you get back up to speed at a slower pace, it's going to use less fuel to do that. Now, but what's the last one there? Well, the last one, you see how that little car goes away on the last one? Well, the last one is old style cruise control. So if you want your cruise control to not slow you down when it sees the car, to not do the dynamic curb speed reduction, to not do any part of the dynamic part, anything like that, you just want to feel like it did in your 1985 Camry. There you go. That's exactly what you're going to get right there. It's just going to be cruise. You set it, you go, you have to hit the brake, you want to slow down, whatever. You're going to do all that stuff yourself. The car won't do any of it. All it's going to do is hold the speed for you. So I like to call that old time cruise control. So those are all things that you have in the new RAV4 with the dynamic cruise control system in the new RAV4. That's just one part of safety sense that you get with the cruise control system, but it has gotten so much better than what it was just a year ago on the RAV4. So you guys tell me what you guys think. If you got any other questions on some of these things, I'm going to hope to bring some of these systems to you in a way that you can actually absorb it pretty quick. But you guys tell me what you guys think about this brand new RAV4 and some of these systems that are on here. Very, very tech driven. I know that, but hopefully I can help you guys to feel just a little bit better about it. So Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. Good to talk to you soon.